So, there's Jan on a ladder. You want to explain what you're doing?
Well,
and why we have the two boards across there?
I'm going to put a ceiling fan up here because it's really hot up here. And every ceiling fan I've ever seen ends up wobbling after a few years. So I put a heavy-duty ceiling fan box, and it has a metal bracket that you can screw into. But I'm pretty sure it's still going to wobble. So I notched a couple of 2x4s and screwed in from the box to the 2x4s, screwed the 2x4s. So it ain't going to wobble. I could probably just hang from it, but it ain't going to wobble.
Don't do that, because
like this?
If you fall,
Will you,
I
point
will.
And laugh?
Yeah, I will laugh.
After you make sure I'm okay, I'm sure.
As I'm walking over to make sure you're okay.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but you've been warned.
Wow.
Yeah, there. Well, nothing but love.
I guess so. It's hard to do with bifocals on. And that is big. Ready?
That wasn't funny.
Yes, it was.
No.
Okay.
Okay, everybody's upset. Yeah, that wasn't funny.
Yeah, that was funny.
I think I peed a little.
Well, if I'd have peed, I would have been electrocuted. No, there's no power up here.
I know that, but scare cam.
Yeah.
King, did you pee? In case I sound like I'm in a barrel, Jan is putting the blades on the fan. And there we go, 5 blades, yay! Fan is up and running. We have a little remote that we'll put by one of the doors. And then we have a switch for that by the front door.